The Falcon laminator is able to perform several heat-activated applications, including mounting, overlaminating, simultaneous mounting and laminating, and encapsulating. Let's start with heat-activated mounting. Before proceeding, you need to calibrate the Falcon for the mounting process. On the front of the Falcon laminator, you'll find the setup panel. The bottom and top heaters each have their own controls, an on-off switch, and a temperature controller. For this process, heat-activated mounting only, select 1 for the top heater to turn it on. Adjust the temperature controller to 235 degrees Fahrenheit or 113 degrees Celsius. For the lower heater, select 0 to turn it off because it is not used for the mounting only operation. Since the lower heater is off, there is no need to adjust the temperature. The motor has 3 separate controls: auto stop, forward reverse, and the motor speed control. Adjust the motor speed to 2. Select forward on the forward reverse switch. Set the motor auto stop switch to auto. To control the cooling process, you would normally use the fan's control switch. Since we're mounting only, we will select 0 to turn the fans off. Now that the controls are set, you are ready to mount your print. When mounting prints to substrates, you should only use the minimum amount of roll pressure needed to accomplish the task. While higher nip pressure can make the adhesive board bond faster, excess pressure will run the risk of crushing the board and potentially damaging the rollers. To set the top roller height, use the same procedure as previously demonstrated for pressure-sensitive mounting. Now that the Falcon is set up correctly, we'll demonstrate the procedures for Orca board mounting and hot film mounting. For Orca board mounting, lay the print on the Orca board. Line up the leading edge of the print to the leading edge of the board. Use tape or a hot tack iron to hold the leading edge of the print down onto the board. If you don't fully cover the Orca board with the print, you may want to put a piece of release liner over the print. If you don't do this, and the machine is running too slowly, adhesive may be transferred to the laminating roller. In addition, the toner from the electrostatic prints will be deposited on the roll and will require a lot of cleaning effort to remove. Once the print is ready, feed the print Orca board package through the nip. You can use either the foot switch or the auto switch. With Protex hot mount film, you can also create your own Orca boards for heat-activated mounting. Hot mount film can be used either in a roll form to pre-coat the boards or in a cut sheet form to coat individual boards. It will take about 2 minutes for the mount adhesive to fully cure. After the curing time, you would trim the print to size, completing the procedure.